On this episode of Retro Car Guy 530, I am attending the Cars and Coffee Folsom car meet at the Regal Theaters in Dorado Hills, California. Its temporary location. It should return to the Palladio parking lot beginning June 19th, 2021. I'll walk around and take some still pictures like this. Also get some video footage as I walk around, and then I'll get my DJI Mini 2 drone up in the air around the edges so I can get you some aerial footage of this event. So let's get into it. Let's start off with this time-lapse footage that I captured with a GoPro Hero Session 5 camera on the top of my hood, and I pointed out at the main car meet, so you'll be able to see the activity at the car meet for about 2.5 hours in just about a minute. You can see that the day started off very chilly, overcast. As we get towards the end here though, the sun does start to peek through as the clouds start to recede, and it did warm up just a little bit. So enjoy the time-lapse footage. Now I'm going to start the walkthrough of the car meet and give you a random sampling of the vehicles that attended this particular car meet. My previous Cars and Coffee Folsom videos used to attempt to show you every vehicle that attended. It took a lot of time to capture the pictures and the video and edit it. I'm going to try to narrow the time frame for these videos, so I'm going to give you that random sampling. Hopefully you enjoy my selections. was able to get my DJI Mini 2 drone up in the air. I sped up the footage to 300% so we can get through this a little bit quicker. And I was careful to make sure I flew at the edge of the event, not to fly over anyone, because the recent changes to FAA regulations allowing flight over people requires a drone of ultralight weight, and that's very hard to find in the United States at this point in time. But I thought you'd at least enjoy some of this footage to see that the event was very well attended. The event will continue to be held in this location at Regal Cinemas in El Dorado Hills, California until June 19th, when it's projected to return to Palladio in Folsom, California. Hit the like button if you like the content, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.